Hey everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the February Pink and Main card kit back at it. And if you are or were a subscriber or you're not a subscriber, this goes for everybody, you're going to need to go and subscribe again. So I don't know if y'all know that. I know there was an email sent out that if you were a previous subscriber, they updated their system, and so it kind of wiped all of the subscribers out of there. So go ahead there now, because I believe, let me look, yes, that you get a free set that all subscribers are going to receive with your February kit. And this is the set. And I'm telling you, as soon as I saw it, I kind of squealed, because I love coffee and tea anyway. And I love Pink and Main style. So, oh my gosh, these are just, I love them so, so much. So you'll get this one free with subscriptions. So go subscribe. All right, so let me set this off to the side. I haven't seen what the Pink and Main February 2021 card kit, or 2022, boy, I'm already behind, the 2022 card kit looks like. So we're going to take a look together. Michelle always packages them so nicely in this pink box. And then you have your tissue paper. Oh, and then you have your kit. Oh, I can already tell I'm going to love it. You have your kit, and it comes in a pink and white pouch, and then your cardstock is in there as well. So we'll pull things out and start looking. I'm gonna do, let's see, let's do our kit card to start. Let's set this off to the side and we'll pull things out. Oh, look at that. Dragonflies. To be honest with you, I don't really have any dragonfly stamps, so I'm really hoping that's what we're going with. This is, oh, Dragonfly Dreams. That's what it's called. So the little card is so super nice because it gives you everything that's included in the kit. And then it also gives you your color palette. So you can take this over to your inks, your Copics, your paints, your whatever, and or your embellishments, and grab out colors that are going to go and match. And I also love, because the back of this can be a card front all on its own. It's so pretty. Spread your wings and fly in the direction of your wildest dreams. That's really pretty. All right, so I'm going to set that off to the side. Let's pull out what we have. Right. Oh golly, so many great goodies in here. Okay, so let's start with some embellishments. Actually, let's start with our cardstock. And then we'll go into everything that's in there. So our first piece of cardstock is, we have the Aruba. This is by Basil, and it has a nice weave texture to it. It's an 8.5 by 11. Another weave texture, this one is the Quartz by Basil. I love that she uses Basil. Oh, I've always loved Basil cardstock. Another one, this is called Hillary. So pretty. Oh, and here we go. Capri Sea. That's beautiful. And then we have Lemonade. This is a beautiful color palette. And then we have a couple of Snow White ones. Or this is 110-pound white cardstock. So it's nice and heavy. So that is great for card bases or whatever. I sometimes color on mine, and I tend to get pretty good results. So you have your cardstock. Let's pull out these. We have, oh, it's so pretty. It's flowers. It's a very soft, like a pastel color palette in there. You've got some tiny sequins. You've got some almost, they're embossed sequins as well, and all the different colors. And there is plenty in there to use, or to make a shaker, or to possibly embellish with, because those flowers on there are just gorgeous. They're like iridescent. I don't know if you can see that. So pretty. Then we have, oh, I love it, the Enamel Dots. Check it out. They're so pretty. And there is your color palette again. I love that she does that. It just makes it so easy to decorate and embellish your cards. Super, super pretty. Okay, what else we got in here? Let me get into the paper pad. Oh, look at this. We've got these envelope seals. Oh, those are so pretty. So that's great. Keep that with your kit so you can send out your cards and have these little matching seals that go with it. I'm telling you, I love this color palette. All right, let's open up our paper pad. I can already tell you I'm going to be in love with it. Going to hear some oohing and on my part. And I tend to open my paper pads this way because it just makes it a little bit easier to store them. And then I don't have to worry about the glue getting used up because I open it so much. Ooh, Dragonfly Dreams. So you're going to get, it's a 6x6 paper pad, 24 sheets. Let's take a look. Okay. And these are double-sided. Oh, golly. Okay. So check it out. We've got this pattern, this beautiful pattern. Oh, I love this. And as I always say, I love that she does these like duplicates of some of those, but just different colors. Like, check that out. Oh, golly. And then that is so pretty. We've got some more of this, like, almost like a plaid pattern, but just solid color. Oh, goodness. It's gonna be a fun one. Some more dots. Oh, I love that with the like light blue or the turquoise dots. All right, and then this is what the back looks like. Oh gosh, goes with your seals. Yes. Ooh, it's a little, this one. Oh, that one. Oh, golly. Oh, yes. Stripes. Oh, that's so pretty. Almost makes me feel, that one definitely makes me feel a little tropical. Oh, I love this dark with those colors. Oh, gosh. Mama likey. I'm in love. I'm in love, folks. Okay, so there you have your paper pad. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, I'm going to be using the stew out of this one for sure. Okay. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, and then let's get into our, and I always say this, it's one of the things I love about the Pink and Main kits is that you get all of these, you get all these like, you know, use up products, things that all match and you can use them up, but then you get some serious stash builders with like your stencil. So it's such cute little dragonflies. You've got this 6x6 stencil. How fun. Use that with pastes or do some ink blending or, oh my goodness, the possibilities. So fun. Make some really cool backgrounds with that. So we've got our stencil. And we also have a 6x6 embossing folder. This one is called Daisies. That's so pretty. And I like that it's 6x6. That gives you, again, more options, really. So another stash builder. And then let's get into the stamp set because I can't take it anymore. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, how cute. And so many great sentiments. So you've got like 3 little dragonflies that you can color in their wings or do some fun stuff with that. This one's so pretty because we've got the flowers all over the one wing. And then you've got some amazing sentiments. And I love our font here, just because. Spread your wings and fly in the direction of your wildest dreams, just like the card said. You were meant to soar. For you on your special day, congratulations. Thoughts of you fill my days with joy. Live each day to the fullest. Wishing you well. Hello. I believe in you. Happy birthday. I miss your smile. I'm sorry for your loss. So this hits a whole gambit, really. I mean, it hits it all. So that's great. And then we have our matching dies. So you've got the dies. They're going to cut out all of your different dragonflies, even the tiny ones. Ooh. So you could do those in different colors and die cut them out. You can emboss them. The options. All right, so like I said, that's everything. Like I said, what you're going to want to do if you were a previous subscriber, or even if you're not and you're like on the fence and you're thinking, I really love the kits, I don't know why I'm waiting, jump on in on this one and you'll get this freebie, which is fun. You could even combine the two if you really wanted. A little dragonfly with some coffee, why not, right? And I'll have the link down below so you can head to the store and go snag your kit, go subscribe again, things like that. Oftentimes, she does have the things available separately, but not always, especially if they sell out. So if you're on the fence, I would go run and grab this one. And like I said, I'll have it linked down below. So if you like the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit that notification bell, because in a few days, probably sometime this week, my plan is to have some cards made with this beautiful kit to inspire you, so that once you get your kit, you'll have some ideas and maybe it'll spark you to jump into some other directions as well. All right, everybody, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye, everybody.